Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making cornmeal crusted nuggets with steamed broccoli. And we also have a nice blackberry sauce that we're going to make, and that's the first thing I'm going to start with. I've got my saute pan with a little bit of oil heating up, and while that is working away, I'm going to add whole grain mustard to some blackberries, and we're also going to add honey. And this will serve as our dipping sauce for our chicken. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of honey. All right, and kind of take our spoon, we're going to mix it up, kind of mash the berries a little bit. All right, so we've got that done. Set that aside. All right, so now we want to crust our chicken. We have cornmeal that we've lightly seasoned. We're going to put our chicken straight into the cornmeal. Maybe. I'm just going to toss this in the cornmeal. Make sure it gets coated on all sides. Cut these down into bite-sized pieces. All right, and we're ready to begin. As you lift these out of the bowl, just kind of shake off any of the excess cornmeal. All right. I'm going to take some cooking spray, just spray over the top, coat that other side. Now we're going to brown these. All right, ready to start flipping. Just using my spatula, giving them a little flip. All right, and as some of our nuggets get done, I'm going to pull them off and set them on a paper towel to just kind of soak up any excess oil. I'm going to let some of these others get a little bit more brown. You're looking for golden brown and delicious is kind of a saying in the kitchen. We're looking for that nice golden crunchy color. Go ahead and kill the heat. Let these last few brown up just a little bit more. All right, and at this point, all there is left to do is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.